all the pretty sounds from all the locusts and all the bugs around in the bushes, the grass, and the trees. Just the beautiful sounds of nighttime. And there's people having a fire way down there, down in their yard. It's a good thing to have on a Friday night, or pretty much any night unless it's terrible weather. Super, super, super peaceful. More coming from over that way. Starting back up over this way. Probably will start to see bats, but tonight's, or this evening's video, or should I say today's video, it's not a bat spotting video, so, I mean, if we see one, oh look, I think I see the cicada or locust. These are either cicadas or locusts. Oh look, there goes a bat. But we're not trying to film as many as we can. Over there. Even the lights down in town is super, super cool. I think pretty much everywhere during the day and night is pretty peaceful, sitting outside, hearing all the noises. Well, especially in nature, mostly in nature, should I say. Oh, I can smell the fire down there. It smells so good. Guys, comment down below if you guys like the smell of fire or not. Oh yeah, and gas also smells really good. It's cool to hear planes. But anyway, I hope this video did make you guys feel relaxed. It's something that makes me feel relaxed, coming up here at day and night and evening. Like it's late evening right now, almost like nighttime. But anyway, peace out.